Tired of pixelated streams and endless buffering on your Samsung Smart TV? Unlock the ultimate wired internet fix with this simple USB 30 Gigabit Ethernet adapter. First, let's identify your J5 Create USB 30 to Gigabit Ethernet adapter. You'll see a standard USB 30 plug on one end and an Ethernet port on the other. This adapter is your bridge to a faster, more stable internet connection for your smart TV. Now, locate a USB port on your Samsung Smart TV. Most Samsung Smart TVs have at least one, often labeled with the USB symbol. If you have multiple, the USB 30 ports are usually blue, but any available USB port should work for this adapter. Carefully plug the USB 30 end of your J5 Create adapter firmly into one of the available USB ports on your Samsung Smart TV. Next, grab your Ethernet cable. This is the cable that connects your router or modem to your TV for wired internet. Take one end of your Ethernet cable and plug it securely into the Ethernet port on the J5 Create adapter. You should feel a satisfying click as it locks into place. Now, connect the other end of your Ethernet cable to an available LAN port on your Wi-Fi router or modem. Again, ensure it's fully plugged in. With both ends of the Ethernet cable connected, the adapter is now physically installed. Your Samsung Smart TV should automatically detect the wired connection. To confirm and ensure it's active, navigate to your TV settings, go to Network, then Network Status or Network Settings. You should see that your TV is now connected via wired Ethernet connection. This means your adapter is working and providing you with a stable, high-speed internet connection. Enjoy incredibly smooth streaming, faster downloads, and a more reliable online experience for all your smart entertainment needs.